Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to change your mPerks PIN 2024 version. We will also put links for Instacart and Shipped in the description below if you're interested in getting your groceries delivered to your home. To start, open the website. Then click on Sign In. A pop-up window will appear. Click on Sign In. Now, enter your email address. Then click on Next. Also, enter your password. Then click on Verify. Once you're signed in, you will see a profile icon at the upper right side of the screen. Click on the profile icon. A pop-up window will appear and you will see an option for profile details. Click on Profile Details. On this page, you will see a section for mPerks information. Beside it is an option for PIN. Click on PIN. Now, enter the new PIN you wish to use. Enter it on the first field. Then enter it again on the second field to confirm. After that, click on Save. That's how you change your mPerks PIN. Thank you so much guys for watching. And if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our Amazon shop link in the description below for amazing shopping ideas, and our recommended resources for various sign-up bonuses.